Dennis Moreland with Dennis Moreland Tack, and today I've got a story to tell you. Several years ago I was at Brenham at a cutting. There was a professional trainer that was headed to the herd. He hadn't crossed the timeline yet and he realized his stirrups were in the wrong hole. He got down and adjusted the left one. He went around to adjust the right one and immediately hollered at me if I had an off. I went to the trailer, got an off for him, a double off. He had this single off. As you can see, it was nearly broken in two. That would have been a very, very bad wreck. One hard turn and it could have snapped. When you go to check your double off, check inside where it goes around the cinch ring, that it's not worn thin there. Also check where it goes over the D in your saddle. Look for elongated holes, for cracks. And do the same thing with your latigo strap when you pull it down. Check where it goes over the D-ring, check for cracks, check for elongated holes. And while you're here, it's good to check your hobble strap. If this breaks, and a lot of them break, you can be in a bad wreck. If you haven't changed your double off in a while, you may need a refresher. You bought you a brand new double off, and how do I get it on? Thread the double off through the cinch ring from the front to the back on the D-ring of the saddle, back through the cinch ring, find your correct hole, pull all the slack out, tuck your tails in under your keeper, and hook your hobble strap back up. And you're ready to ride. It's so important that you check your latigos and offs. They're very inexpensive pieces of equipment, but you need to check them on a regular basis. I hope this helps. Thank you.
For more tips and to take a look at some of the country's finest handmade tack, log on to dmtack.com.